Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we'll see that how to install an editor to run the Java codes. So basically we are going to install the IntelliJ editor, okay? And in that we'll see that how to run our Java codes. So let's start step-by-step procedure. So first of all, open the Chrome browser and write download IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition. Go to the first link, then you will see that IntelliJ IDEA Ultimate. So it is the paid version. So if you want to download this, so you can download this also. You will get a 30-day trial. And if you want to download the free version, you can go here, IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition. You have to click on this download option, select whatever Windows, okay. Then click on download. A download will appear. After the download is completed, you have to go to the downloads. You will see your setup will be downloaded. You have to open it. Make yes. Now follow the steps. Next. Now check this path. If you want to create a desktop shortcut, then do check on this path. It will automatically add the bin folder to the system path variables. Okay. Then check on this option also, as when you have to open any folder with IntelliJ, you have to just make a right click and then this option will appear. It is a very useful option. And then click on this .java. Now next, and now on install. Now you have to wait for a few minutes or for a few seconds while the installation is being completed. Now when the installation is complete, you will get a complete message, okay? And you will get two options, one for reboot now and one for I want to manually reboot later. So check on that option and then click on finish. Now you have successfully installed IntelliJ IDEA Community version. Now you have to open a folder. Okay. Now open the folder and click on make a right click and then click on this show more options. Then you will get open folder as IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition project. Click on this. Now it will give you three options. One, because I have already PyCharm with me, so and VS Code is also installed in my system. So the IntelliJ IDEA is asking that if I want to import settings from them. So yes, or you can skip import also. So I want that my VS Code should get imported. I means all the settings I make to VS Code that should come here. So I'll click on this. Okay. While clicking on this, the UI theme, which is dark, key map, uh, in which you can see search everywhere, debug, run. These are the things which will come. Plugins and all the recent projects will automatically come here also. Okay. And I'll click on import settings. Then again, it will take few seconds or it can take few minutes also to import VS Code settings to IntelliJ IDEA. And once it is done, once it is done, it will automatically open the IntelliJ IDEA at that location. Okay. So you can wait. Now you will see that it has opened now. Now you have to click on new projects. These are my previous projects, uh, which I have already, I can see here, and then I have to click on the new project. Okay, in order to create a new project, now you have to give the name of the project. So Java first program. So this will be enough project name, and I can select the location also, that where I want to create it. Okay, so from this location I can find the location where I want to create. So it automatically it is creating in where the IntelliJ IDEA has been stored. So I want to keep it there only. So I'll do okay. Then build system. So we are using IntelliJ, so we have to click on IntelliJ. Now in JDK, you will see that in the previous video we have already downloaded the JDK, the latest JDK, which is 23.0.2. So it has already taken that. As you can see, we are getting that it has been installed in program C program files Java JDK 23. So you can click on this also. If you have not downloaded the JDK, then what you can do, you are getting an option here, download Oracle Open JDK. So you can download the JDK from IntelliJ also. Okay, so yeah, you can do that also. But if you have downloaded, you will can see here. So I have already downloaded, so I don't need to download. And you can then in the next option you will see add sample code. If you want to add a sample code, okay, you can add it. But if you don't want to add a sample code, then uncheck this. And I don't want a sample code, so and then you have to click on create. And now you will see that yeah, it is giving you that there is a AI assistance also. For now we don't need this, so I'll click on this. Now if you have to create a file, okay, you can see my project name is java underscore first underscore program. Now if you have to create a file, so you will create it inside the src folder, that is the source folder. Okay, so you have to go there, you have to make a right click, then you have to go on new java class, and let's start our first java in the IntelliJ editor, first java program. So now you can see we have got the public class main. Now we have to write our code. So I'll show you a program to print uh, using root to print numbers from 1 to 0 to 5. So how we can do that? So first of all, we need the main function. Okay, so public static void main string args, because whenever a java file is executed, so it search for the main function, means the executed function. Okay, so that is the main function here in java. So always we have to put it, everything which we want to execute, you have to keep it inside the main function. So yeah, now I'll take the for loop. So for int I equals to 0 and I less than equals to 5, I plus plus, then I'll open the curly braces and I'll print system dot out dot println I. Okay, and from here you can run your file, or you can press Ctrl plus F5 also. So I'll just click on the button. Okay, you will see here something is happening, it is downloading some files and all, and then you will see your output in this terminal. Okay, we have got numbers from 0 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, so those of you who don't know about that what happened in this program, okay, I've just showed you a sample code to check that the editor is running correctly or not. Now we'll start from the very basics with the variables and the data types from our next video. Okay, so I hope your IntelliJ IDEA editor has been successfully installed. Thanks for watching the video. We'll see you in the next video with a new topic.